things. Hey, Shell. Shell. Can I...
Hello.
I need your help. A little bit. That one. No cover.
Where does it cover? Oh. You have already changed that.
Yes.
Already?
Yeah.
All the board?
Yeah, that one is clean already. I changed the cover. So it's your turn. This is our bed. A little bit messy, but we will fix it today. More?
Oh, wait.
Ah, that one is the Vicks inhaler. Okay. So now we're fixing the cover. I will help you too.
Can we use the black instead?
No, this one we need to use the green. I like this one. I like that one.
Oh, it's rough.
No, it's not. See guys, he don't agree when I use that green cover. Is it good, right? Yeah. Up. Oops. So it's done. See? It's good, right? Ah, it's good now. Yep. And then the cover.
Where is the English?
We can use the black later. No. There's no shit.
Ah, you have the green.
There's only the comforter and the cover.
Ah, yes. That's right. I remember now.
That's my new hire chambermaid. Because I don't have much money to give him a salary.
He doesn't want
The only salary I give it to him is kiss. One kiss is enough. Right?
Are you sure one kiss is?
Yes.
That sounds good.
You don't like it?
I always like it. I always like it. We should wash these things. Where is our black towels?
Black towel?
Yeah.
I think it's on downstairs.
All this needs to be washed.
This is our room. See, that curtains is 1 year and a half. I didn't take it off.
Well, it's time to take it down, I guess. Don't wash it, put it back up. It looks like Christmas.
Yeah, but Christmas it's coming na, so no need to no need to take it off. Just leave it over there.
Yeah. Maybe we should.
That's our cabinet. some of the clothes on the other cabinet are not organized. So this is our bed. It's fixed now.
What's this?
Oh, that's mine. That's clean. Oh, you can put the one over there on the bed. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Hope you enjoy watching our YouTube channel also. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Hey, this is our life in the Philippines. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Hurry up. Hit it right now. Oh, or is it over on this side? No, it's here, I think. Go ahead, hit it. Thank you for watching.